मैं माननीय शांत जयंती बीएचयू के कोऑर्डिनेटर आदरणीय श्री मनोज मिश्र जी से अनुरोध करते हैं प्रियंका झा को माल्यार्पण करेंगी श्रीमती अनिला पाटिल। मैं निवेदन कर पुस्तक भारत में जनसंख्या और राजनीतिक प्रतिनिधित्व के संबंध को समझाती है। ज्ञातव्य है कि अगली जनगणना 2036 में होने की संभावना है। नए परिसीमन और लोकसभा सीटों के
classmate and friend from my student days has been very generous to me in the welcome address. Then we have Professor Priyanka Jha, a very well-known political scientist, and Professor Akhilendra Pandey, a very distinguished intellectual scholar who has worked on modern India. I extend my sense of gratitude to all three of them for their gracious presence on this occasion and for having read the book, which most people tell me is a very dense book. Now it's a matter of great honor and privilege for me to be invited here in this truly historic place where the great freedom fighter in India, of course, we often hear about how the princes and the royalty, they stood aloof from the freedom struggle. But that's not true at all. Of course, some of them did stay aloof and some of them may have been on the side of the British. But here in Babu Jagat Singh, we had a great prince, a representative of royalty, who gave up his life fighting as a freedom fighter for the cause of the nation. This is the place where he lived and from where he was arrested. So I pay my respectful tributes to the memory of this great son of the nation, this great son of this historic city of Banaras on this occasion for the launch and discussion of my book. So this is a discussion and launch unlike any other. It is a special occasion for me.
Sir,
Now